Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I attempt to create the Patriot logo, and before I get into the tutorial, I just want to tell you guys that do not buy these face paints at like your local CVS store or party store. They have no use. They won't give you the look you're looking for. And get you some proper brush, because I have a hard time using these brush. So the logo ain't 100. So if you have all the tools, you can definitely slay this look.
I didn't get it, now I understand. I realize I broke your heart to pieces. Baby, just breathe and we can make it through this. Baby, now I'm at your door. When we're done talking, we can do some more. But before we get to that, I'll make sure I'm what you want. Oh no, don't worry about the other girls. You're the only girl I wanna have in my bed. The only girl that's on my mind. Give me a chance, I promise I will blow your mind. I hate the space and this bed so cold. I need your body next to me to hold. I realize I broke your heart to pieces. Baby, just breathe and we can make it through this. Do what I can and try to be your man. I didn't get it, now I understand. I realize I broke your heart to pieces. Baby, just breathe and we can make it through this. Turn off the phone so we can be alone. We don't need to talk just to get along. What I gotta do to stop you from walking? Let my body do all the talking. Turn off the phone so we can be alone. We don't need to talk just to get along. What I gotta do to stop you from walking? Let my body do all the talking. I hate the space and this bed so cold. I need your body next to me to hold. I realize I broke your heart to pieces. Baby, just breathe and we can make it through this. Do what I can and try to be your man. I didn't get it, now I understand. I realize I broke your heart to pieces. Baby, just breathe and we can make it through this.
All the things that you've been through. It wasn't easy growing up, but baby girl, you made it through. And I'm so proud of you. The you that you've become is beautiful. You're beautiful. I'd climb the mountain for you, swim through the ocean for your love. I just want you to know I'm down for the cause. You're finally loving who you are. Perfectly flawless, you're a star. Your beauty is by far the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. I am loving me. It's me, it's me. It's me, it's me. You used to cry yourself to sleep every night. You'd walk around, head hanging down, filled with doubt. Constantly comparing. You know you're tired of pretending. Don't do it. I'd climb the mountain for you, swim through the ocean for your love. I just want you to know I'm down for the cause. You're finally loving who you are. Perfectly flawless, you're a star. Your beauty is by far the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me. I am loving me. It's me, it's me. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me, it's me. I am loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me. And I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me, it's me. I'm loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me.
This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this, and next year I'll try to create a better one. So one love.